What is gua? Gua is a natural alternative therapy that involves scraping your skin with a massage tool to improve your circulation. This ancient Chinese healing technique may offer a unique approach to better health, addressing issues like chronic pain. In gua, a technician scrapes your skin with short or long strokes to stimulate microcirculation of the soft tissue, which increases blood flow. They make these strokes with a smooth-edged instrument known as a gua massage tool. The technician applies massage oil to your skin and then uses the tool to repeatedly scrape your skin in a downward motion. Gua is intended to address stagnant energy, called Qi, in the body that practitioners believe may be responsible for inflammation. Inflammation is the underlying cause of several conditions associated with chronic pain. Rubbing the skin's surface is thought to help break up this energy, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Gua is generally performed on a person's back, buttocks, neck, arms, and legs. A gentle version of it is even used on the face as a facial technique. Your technician may apply mild pressure and gradually increase intensity to determine how much force you can handle. What are the benefits of gua? Gua may reduce inflammation, so it's often used to treat ailments that cause chronic pain, such as arthritis and fibromyalgia, as well as those that trigger muscle and joint pain. Gua may also relieve symptoms of other conditions. 1. Hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is a viral infection that causes liver inflammation, liver damage, and liver scarring. Research suggests that gua may reduce chronic liver inflammation. This leads researchers to believe that gua has the ability to improve liver inflammation, thus decreasing the likelihood of liver damage. More research is underway. 2. Migraine headaches. If your migraine headache doesn't respond to over-the-counter medications, gua may help. In non-study trist. At source, a 72-year-old woman living with chronic headaches received gua over a 14-day period. Her migraines improved during this time, suggesting that this ancient healing technique may be an effective remedy for headaches. More research is needed. Breast engorgement. Breast engorgement is a condition experienced by many breastfeeding women. This is when the breasts overfill with milk. It usually occurs in the first weeks of breastfeeding, or if the mother is away from the infant for any reason. Breasts become swollen and painful, making it difficult for babies to latch. This is usually a temporary condition. In non-study trusted source, women were given gua from the second day after giving birth up until leaving the hospital. The hospital followed up with these women in the weeks after giving birth and found that many had few reports of engorgement, breast fullness, and discomfort. This made it easier for them to breastfeed. 4. Neck pain. Gua technique may also prove effective for remedying chronic neck pain. To determine the effectiveness of this therapy, 48 study participants trusted sources split into 2 groups. One group was given gua and the other used a thermal heating pad to treat neck pain. After 1 week, participants who received gua reported less pain compared to the group that didn't receive gua. Tourette syndrome. Tourette syndrome involves involuntary movements such as facial tics, throat clearing, and vocal outbursts. According to a single case study trusted source, gua combined with other therapies may have helped to reduce symptoms of Tourette syndrome in the study participant. The study involved a 33-year-old male who had Tourette syndrome. Since the age of 9, he received acupuncture, herbs, gua, and modified his lifestyle. After 35 once-a-week treatments, his symptoms improved by 70%. Even though this man had positive results, further research is needed.
6. Perimenopausal syndrome. Perimenopause occurs as women move closer to menopause. Symptoms include insomnia, irregular periods, anxiety, fatigue, hot flashes. One study trusted source, however, found that gua may reduce symptoms of perimenopause in some women. The study examined 80 women with perimenopausal symptoms. The intervention group received 15 minute gua treatments once a week in conjunction with conventional therapy for 8 weeks. The control group only received conventional therapy. Upon completion of the study, the intervention group reported greater reduction of symptoms, such as insomnia, anxiety, fatigue, headaches, and hot flashes compared to the control group. Researchers believe gua sha therapy might be a safe, effective remedy for this syndrome.
Does gua sha have side effects? As a natural healing remedy, gua sha is safe. It's not supposed to be painful, but the procedure may change the appearance of your skin because it involves rubbing or scraping skin with a massage tool. Tiny blood vessels known as capillaries near the surface of your skin can burst. This can result in skin bruising and minor bleeding. Bruising usually disappears within a couple of days. Some people also experience temporary indentation of their skin after a gua sha treatment. If any bleeding occurs, there's also the risk of transferring blood-borne illnesses with gua sha therapy, so it's important for technicians to disinfect their tools after each person. Avoid this technique if you've had any surgery in the last 6 weeks. People who are taking blood thinners or have clotting disorders aren't good candidates for gua sha.